Hello, and welcome to Edcite's Freeform Tags tutorial. While your state standards are a great place to start data analysis, we know that sometimes teams might want to group questions for analysis using tags other than normal standards. Freeform tags are user-created tags that can be added to any question and can be analyzed on many of Edcite's single assessment reports. Some examples of the way we see Edcite districts grouping questions for analysis are for questions that are all the same genre. This allows teachers to see trends and plan reteach calendars that focus on the genres where students need the most support. Are all about the same passage. Analyzing data by passage allows you to take into account the reading level of the passage and look even deeper than the genre level. Are all in the same cluster. You can analyze data in a slightly deeper level than domains while still seeing trends across similar skills. This allows for an added layer of data analysis beyond standards and depth of knowledge. Today we'll look at how to create freeform tags and how to use those freeform tags to analyze the data. To create the tag, I must first go to the question editor. Once here, I select tags near the top left of my screen. In the box under freeform tags, I'll type in the freeform tag I would like to use. Here, I can see that I'm using a released state item that has already been created by the Edcite team. If I'd like to add a new freeform tag, I simply type a comma and put the freeform tag I'd like to add. Here, I'll add the name of the passage so I can analyze all data from this specific passage. Quick note to be careful not to add any extra spaces or typos, because this will create a new freeform tag and not link that question to other questions with the same freeform tag. Finally, I select Save. Now let's look at how we can use freeform tags to analyze the data. In the summary report, I can scroll down, choose Standard, and select Show Freeform Tags. Now I'm able to see the freeform tags in addition to the traditional standards. In the item analysis report, I can also choose to show freeform tags. And for a beautiful color-coded data analysis tool, I can select the performance band report and look at data by student. Here, I'm able to see the freeform tags as well as the traditional standards. When I scroll down, I can see the aggregate data, so I'm aware of the overall average for each standard and freeform tag. Here's an example of what this might look like for an ELA test. The freeform tags labeled A are the titles of passages, and the freeform tags labeled B are the genres. We've created the freeform tags feature so that teams are empowered with flexible data analysis and teachers could create powerful reteaches that go beyond the standards. Thank you for joining us to learn more about Edcite's freeform tags. Feel free to check out our knowledge base or email support@edcite.com if you have any specific questions or feedback. Happy testing!